Hey guys! Oh, it's hump day. How often do we hear this, right? All right, really? It's Wednesday. What is it? It's already December 11th. We've only got a little bit of time left. The holidays are fast upon us, and you're like, oh my God, what am I going to get so and so or such and such? And oh, I just don't know. So I decided, yeah, I decided. I always look at, everybody in my company always says, make yourself gorgeous before you go online. Absolutely not. That defeats the purpose of what I want to show you. Look at this. This is my crazy hair. I've been out all morning long. I've been driving around. I've been, running errands, made a trip to the post office. Yes, kitties, the gifts are on their way. But I've got more to do. And I got home and I was like, look at my hair. It's a disaster. But I have to go somewhere. And I have to go somewhere in about 15 minutes. And I want to be presentable. But I don't have a whole lot of time because I'm hungry. I haven't had lunch. I got things to do. So what do I do? Well, let me show you. One of the easiest things in the world to do is to jazz yourself up in like 2 seconds or less. And that's why I'm here. I want to show you how wonderful and how easy, and oh, I wish I had a regular swerve. I got what's called an up-missy. And I'm going to take 2 seconds and I'm going to brush my hair so I look presentable. Aren't I gorgeous? I thought you'd think so. So I'm just taking 2 minutes to brush out the mop. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy, and I'm going to be ready to go out the door like any second now, because I'm going to use what's called an up-missy. An up-missy is an acrylic U-pin. It is what we recommend for our youngsters, especially those that are on like soccer teams and baseball teams and basketball teams, because I'm going to show it to you. This is the one I chose. Because coaches and sports people don't really like metal in the kids' hair. So this is the deal, guys. It's just like my swerve or my large U-pin or even my small U-pins. I am sticking this baby right in the fat of my bun. And I am just pushing it through. And I am done. And that's how easy this absolutely marvelous little gadget, the up-missy, is to use. Are you looking for like that one thing for the kids' stocking? Are you doing 13 days of Christmas? Do you need something that they can use not only in school but in their hair? There you go, team. The up-missy or the up-Lizzy. They're absolutely wonderful. They're acrylic, so they are 100% okay for teams. They are not metal, because metal is metal's a no-no when you're playing sports. You don't want metal. You don't want things that can stab the other kid. You don't want things that could harm if they kaboom. Hopefully they won't, but you never know. So we created it in tight. Oh my God, you guys, look at that. It keeps their hair up, keeps it tight, keeps it out of their way, and it's great. Absolutely wonderful. So that's the up-Lizzy and the up-missy. Those are the two names, and they come in, each set comes in 3 colors. You can buy them individually. You can get them in sets. It's like totally up to you. So that was one. And look at, my hair looks decent again, and it took me what, all of 2 seconds? So the other thing is, you can always use a flexi clip. Say you got me a small one. My hair's large. My hair's a long one, girlfriend.
So that's for like a pullback.
I don't want just to pull back. Eden's here with me, team. I will do a quick pullback. All right, so here again. I got to go out. I just got home from work. I'm rushing. I need to be back out the door in 2 seconds. No, honey, it's in my purse. So I'm going to just take, and I'm going to make myself presentable in 30 seconds or less, because I'm going to use, she got me a small flexi clip, which will, you can still get my purse and get the bigger one.
Okay.
Yeah. And there you go. She got me a small flexi, and I was able to put my hair up, and I think I'm pretty presentable, don't you think? Considering what I looked like when we started this little gig, I believe I am. She also wanted to share with you, and she brought for me, again, I'm in a hurry. I got to get out the door. We've only got a minute or 2. We're in the throes of, oh my gosh, My husband's like going crazy. Eden, you're in the wrong purse. U-pins. Very similar to my little Lizzy. She gave me little froggies. U-pin. I got one there. She's not gorgeous. I'll put one here. How much time are we spending on these, team? Well, I can't really turn that well on this chair. Because I'm trying to show you in my chair. My favorite chair. But look how fast that was, and look at how easy that was, and look at how quick you can be ready and presentable to go out. Last but not least, she brings me a larger clip. You know, there's amazing things. We have headbands, we have sticks. I should have gotten a stick out, but I didn't. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy the Little Rose collection is. It doesn't matter what you like. It depends on what your favorite is. It can be a U-pin, it can be a swerve, it can be a clip, and this one, is it gonna fit on my big head of hair? I might not have grabbed the right size for me. Oh yeah. This is a large, and I just need a real quick, and I'm gonna tuck it in, because I gotta get out the door. I've got an appointment, we gotta get there. It's probably not the best, but look, team. How fast and how many different pieces did you see me use in the last, minute or two? And they're just absolutely amazing, and they can get you where you need to be, when you need to be there. What's that, honey?
It looks good. Don't take it out.
Don't take it out. She says, oh, it looks good, Mom. Don't take it out. Well, whatever. I'll put it back in a sec. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. If you got a last minute need, let me know. We can get them for you, or I will put up my webpage and you can pick your own. You need to get them shipped soon because deadlines are coming. Christmas is just around the corner. Hanukkah is even sooner. Let's get our gifts out to our friends. I absolutely love it. It was great to spend some time with you. Ciao. I will see you tomorrow.